Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways or even more methods, okay, to scan a QR code using the Binance app. Okay, so first up, or the first option, you gotta find the app icon right here. Tap and hold onto it. Now here you have the scan section. Okay, so just tap on it and it will open up your camera. So just point it to the QR code, and once done, you're good to go. And as you can see here, you have the option to tap on my QR code to show your own QR code. Okay, now the other option is by upload a QR code. It will open up your gallery, so upload the QR code if you have it in there. Okay, so the second option is by opening up the Binance app, and then what we'll do is just go ahead and go to our profile right here at the top left, tap on it, and in here at the top right we have the scan option as well. Okay, so just tap on it and you'll be able to see the same exact page. Now, the third option is by using Binance Pay right here. So on your dashboard at the top right, you have Binance Pay. And here we have the QR code scanner as well. Okay. And the last option, or the fourth option as a bonus, okay, you can just go ahead and use your camera if you have this feature. Okay. If your camera supports QR code reading, well, you'll have a link right here somewhere, okay, where you can just go ahead and tap and it will automatically open up your Binance app. And that is how you scan QR code here in the Binance app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.